I have been waiting for a warm day to get this thing clean. Let's get to work. First tentative parts. She's all clean. Now we're going to start putting it together. Getting the new colors on. We're going to get started with these body parts and the nice grips. I've been waiting all winter to get it together. And finally done. As you can see, complete new plastic set and decals. The decals are Husqvarna factory racing with a few of my touches. It's been completely serviced, as always. Fresh top end for the season. Oil changes, forks are serviced, shock is serviced, brakes are serviced. What do you think of the colors? New seat, Husqvarna wave seat from KTM Power Parts. Some carbon fiber, some yellow carbon fiber sticky tape. We'll see how long that lasts on there. This is the last time you're going to see it looking like this. I'm almost unwilling to ride it. New bumpers for the handguards, new flags for the handguards, a fresh Payne's ride sticker, the Billotron's in. I have a new chain rear sprocket, but I don't need them yet, and I'm going to get a little more life out of that rear tire. I'm going to change it with another Tusk Recon. I love that tire around here. Up front's the Shinko Fatty, 216 Fatty, and FMF Gnarly. So this thing is really set up for low speed. I have a 51 tooth in the rear, and that's what I'm going to replace it with. When we were in West Virginia at Hatfield McCoy, the stator went, so I replaced the stator, the battery, and regulator rectifier in there. So the electrical system is like a beast now. New grips, of course, my favorite, ODI lock-on Rogue soft for my sensitive hands. Some speed bleeders from STI or STR, sorry, STR. And even all the electrical connections are dielectric, greased up and waterproofed. All right, that's it. Now to go get it dirty, probably this weekend. It's going to be raining tomorrow, and a mud fest. Oh well, at least I got the video to look at, right? Oh, let's start it up. just ice cold. Well, it's 70 degrees out, thank God, but hasn't started today. Later.
But you